Step into a next-gen bowling with interactive gameplay by EvoBowl. Experience total immersion every time, with unforgettable moments in every strike across a variety of interactive gameplay themes. Every game is filled with energy that cannot be repeated. Global bowling venues have already chosen interactive gamification as the standard of entertainment. Captivate guests today with an immersive experience. Make them stay longer to discover it all. Encourage them to spend more on food, drinks, and fun, and increase your revenue from the very first game. Upgrade your venue with a solution that works with your existing lanes. Zero reconstruction, no complexity, and minimal disruptions to your business. No lost bookings, no mess, just a fast setup that turns your lanes into a high-tech attraction. Maximum impact with zero effort. Get high return on investment, a 100% wow effect, and easy integration into your infrastructure with full technical support. Transform your game and bowl beyond reality today with EvoBowl.